Man captures terrifying footage of UAP Orb during drone flight. A drone tester had an astonishing encounter during a recent flight in Porterville, California. On December 17, 2023, he recorded a black UAP orb with a distinct green-yellow neon marking on one side. Speculation about the orb's origin and purpose has ignited the UFO community. Some believe it could be a top-secret military drone with advanced stealth capabilities. However, further examination of the original video is needed to unravel the mystery. Discover more about these UAPs on our website.